everyone, welcome back to the Jack Show. Today I got a brand new RC car, so I'm really excited to show you guys because I think we can do some amazing videos with this thing. I mean, it's not very fast, but it is an off-road beast. Look at this. Here it is. So it doesn't go very fast, but as I said, it goes off-roading really well. So I will show you that. Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video. So, I mean, when you look at that, I mean, you're probably thinking, it's an off-road. And yeah, it is. You are very correct. Very, very correct. I mean, this thing is amazing. Not on speed, but here we go. Here we go. Okay. Bro, it's hard to hold a camera and at the same time be driving an RC. Okay, 1 minute. Here, let me put these things. I know it's kind of sunny, so hopefully you guys can see, but I'm going to test it on the grass. So here we go. Wow, I've never seen an RC car do that well on the grass. I mean, buddy, where are you going? Where are you going? Man, I can barely see you on the camera. Oh, let's go backwards now. Whee! What's up? Okay, here it is. Here you are. What's up, buddy? Hey, you did pretty good. You did, amazing. You did amazing, bro. Okay, so as you can see, we got some big tall grass. And that is the biggest, tallest part of the grass. So I'm going to see how well the sharks do. How well they will do. Because, okay, on most RC cars, I think they make it look like the cars have shocks, but they don't actually work. But on this one, they work. I mean, you see that? Look, rocking up and down. I mean, they really work. So I'm gonna test them and see what we can do. Here we go. All right. Let's see, can it do it? Oh, it did it. Let's go. I mean, oh no. Okay. There we go. Blaze buggy. Hey, guess what? It says extreme speed and it's called the Blaze buggy, but guess what? It's not even fast. Sorry. Oh gosh, I do not want it to go the drain. There it is. Oh no! Oh, do you see this? Hey, this is a camera equipment. You are not supposed to be doing that. Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, bro. Next spot. Here we go. This is our next spot. Hey! Let me get the darn car over here. Darn car. I got the car. I got the car. Here we go. There. So I'm gonna test it from car. I know my camera. Okay, car. I know you like off-roading, boy, but you can't always be off-road. So Oh, right. You can't always be off-road. I'm really sorry. You can't. Okay, let's get this thing lined up. Yep. Okay, you can't be always off-roading. You know what? There we go. There we go. There we go, people. Oh, camera. I do not want to have problems with you. Problems with my camera. There we go. All right. Here we go. Oh, did you guys see that? That did a wheelie. Oh my gosh. And what's that? Oh my gosh. That just got some major air. Holy. Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing, Archie? What are you doing, car? Oh my gosh, that just got some major. Yo, this thing. It's some beast. It's the wheelies. Let's see. Oh my gosh, bro. Hey, what's up? Oh, yo, what you doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, guys, we know that this thing can do a lot, but can it drive over a brick? It sounds really stupid, right? Yeah. Right? No, it's not. It's probably gonna do it. Oh, I got a brick. Yeah. I got bricks. Okay. And we got the car. And we got the controller to drive the car. Okay. Let's see if not lined up. Not lined. Does that look lined up? You know, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna go over this. Perfect. Okay, it's lined up. Here we go. Can this RC car drive over a brick? Go. Bro, how do you do that? I think it has auto turn around when it's in reverse. Oh, is it? Oh, ow. Yo, what are you doing? You just ran over my foot. Ow! What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? Yo, back out. I said back out. Yo, back out. Thank you. Oh my gosh, he just drove into the brick. Yo, this thing's crazy. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yo, we flipped. It tried to go over me. Bro, I think that's too much. Yo, this RC car is insane. It is wild. I mean, it is absolutely insane. Literally trying to run over me. So, it can't run over a human, which is obviously very good, because you don't want an RC car going over you. And it is 4-wheel drive, actually. So, anyways, if you guys want to see more videos on the RC car, I need to see 5 likes. 5 likes. All I need is 5 likes. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.